Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to draw a very simple pixel art picture. I will draw for you logo of the very popular game Among Us. For this picture I need black felt pen, red, violet, yellow, blue and sky blue. Firstly I take my black marker. You can take black felt pen, and at the bottom part of the picture, at the center, I should paint 16 boxes horizontally. From this box go diagonally up, and I should paint 15 boxes vertically. From this box go diagonally to the right and up, and drawing 15 boxes up. And from this box turning to the left and up, and drawing horizontally 16 boxes to the left. From this box skip one box to the left and drawing 8 boxes up. Now go diagonally to the left and drawing 2 boxes to the left. Going diagonally to the left and painting 2 boxes up. Now we should color 1 box diagonally to the left and up. Going diagonally to the left and up, and we should paint 7 boxes to the left. Now go down diagonally and drawing 2 boxes vertically down, and from this box go diagonally to the left and down and coloring all these boxes down. Now from this box go down and coloring all these boxes vertically. From this box turning to the right, and I should color 5 boxes to the right. Now go diagonally to the right and down and coloring 4 boxes down. From this box turning to the left and coloring to the left all these boxes, 6 boxes horizontally. Now I take blue felt pen and mark these 2 boxes and drawing a line, a contour. 5 boxes to the right and 2 boxes up, and coloring all these boxes by blue. Now I take sky blue felt pen and coloring these 5 boxes and this one by sky blue. Now I take violet felt pen, mark these 2 boxes vertically and drawing a line, a contour. From this box 1 box to the right, 1 box down, 6 boxes to the right, 1 box up, 1 box to the right, 2 boxes up, 1 box to the right, and I should color these boxes by violet. And here I draw a line like this and coloring these boxes by violet. Now I take red felt pen and coloring these boxes and this by red. And now I take yellow felt pen and all these boxes inside the contour I should draw by yellow. That's all, I finished my drawing. As you can see, it's very easy, small and colorful picture. You can draw this pixel art picture very easy with me, and don't forget to give me your likes, and please subscribe to my channel. See you soon, bye bye.